Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you're going to edit a video in CapCut for free. Okay, you don't have to pay for anything. Every effects, caption effects, okay, everything is free. Alright, all you gotta do is to download CapCut and install it onto your PC. So once installed, just run CapCut. Alright, create an account if you don't have an account, and right here click on create a project. Okay, click this button to import your video. Alright, now just click this plus button, or you can manually drag and drop it right here. Now let's say you have you want to split the video. You can click this button to split. It's gonna split the video, but I'm gonna do Ctrl Z to undo that. Okay, we have delete. You can use Q. Here we have delete the right corner. Here, well, basically I'm just gonna show you how I usually do mine. Alright, so first let's listen. Alright, so all I'm gonna do is, let's say if I want to create a quick video, all I gotta do is click text and then auto caption and leave that on English. Click generate. Alright, this is really fast, creating auto caption. So once it's done, like you can see, okay, so all you want to do is to select the whole caption line, and right here I'm gonna choose a font size. I'm gonna do this one, then I'm gonna move it right here. I'm gonna select the preset style as this, then I'm gonna go to animation, and then to captions, and right here I can click this. When I click this, it gives me this following effects. Okay, and if I want to make it like this, or if I just want to do it like this. Alright, now let's say I want to increase the font size to maybe 7. Alright, so let's say I'm happy with the video. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click export, and right here you're gonna give a name. So if you don't know where you're gonna save it, alright, let's say I'm gonna save it onto in videos. I'll select the folder videos. So the resolution is 1080p. So if you have a video format like 2K, 1440p, and 4K, you can choose whatever resolution. Bitrate, I recommend to set it on higher. As you see, H.264, the codec format is MP3. Frame rate, that depends on whether if you have recorded via OBS 60 FPS, okay, 60 frames per second, then you're gonna choose 60. But if your video is 30 FPS, then just choose 30 FPS. Alright, you can as well edit the cover, whatever. Okay, so I'm just gonna hit complete, or you can choose any other trend. Alright, so right here, if you select this one, it's gonna automatically download this. Alright, let's say I don't want that. I'm just gonna select with default, select this, hit complete. So if you click audio MP3, it's gonna create the video, and it's also gonna create an audio file as well in MP3 for you. But I'm gonna unselect this. Okay, and if you wanna check for copyright, right, if you wanna run a copyright to avoid copyright issues, let's say you do have some background music and you wish to create copyright, okay, then check this. It's gonna process the copyright, okay, but as for me, I don't have anything. As you see, sound copyright check passed. Okay, it's passed. Then all I gotta do is click export, and as you see right here, it's going to use my hardware, which is my graphic cards, to encode the video. All right, boom. And so I'm gonna click pause right here. And as well, if you do have like a TikTok account or YouTube account, whatever, you can sign in or what. So let's say if you do have a TikTok account, make sure that you sign in first. All right, here you can log out, log in. Here you can add a TikTok name, and right here it says generating. So all you have is to wait for this, and Capcut will automatically create a TikTok video size for you. As you can see, a 9 by 16 video size. Just wait for this to generate. Okay, you can choose your privacy for TikTok, as you can see. Now if you wish to upload this video on TikTok, so right here, so let's say I'm gonna upload it as private, and you're gonna give whatever name that you want right here. So and then just hit the share button. Okay, and this will upload on TikTok. Okay, and let's say now you wish to find the video that we've just export. You're gonna go to your location, which is right here, and it is in here, as you see right here. And this is the TikTok 9 by 16 video resolution for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and here's the following video. Okay, right here is the video. Okay, so there you have the full resolution 1080p video where you can upload on YouTube. Alright, so right here it says video has been shared to TikTok. If you click this link, it's gonna redirect you to your TikTok account. Alright, here you can click open folder, and it's gonna open the directory. And as well, it has created a subtitle SRT, which you can upload that to your corresponding YouTube subtitles, whatever. Okay. Alright, so yeah, this was it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. And as well, let's say if you have cuts, if let's say you have many videos, let's say another videos gets right here, then you can use transition. You can use as you see, there are a lot overlays, blurs, basic effects, light effects, glitch. There are tons of it. Okay, you can use filters, stickers, text, audio. You can do whatever you want. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope this story was helpful.